First of all, who are you?
Oh, wait a minute here. My name is Chuck Carmody.
Well, Chuck, what are you doing here?
Firefighter. I just got out of the prison. Just got out of Folsom. Out of payroll.
Well, Chuck, it's an air show here, and you're not invited.
No, but I'm here to. I know it's an air show. I'm here to show it off. What do you think?
Well, Chuck, first of all, Chuck, pull up, Chuck.
Oh, I think I just did.
Oh, Chuck, do you know how to fly an airplane?
Oh, I know.
And you saw the airplane get pushed back as he went up and around there. He's going to have to deal with some of that down on the ground, too. And remember, this airplane basically flies at 60 miles an hour, it stalls at 60 miles an hour. So he's got to make sure that he's got enough speed so that he doesn't put that flight control and then stall, because then it's just not an easy. So he's got to measure that. And I think he's getting ready to get ready. So let's wish him well. Let's see what happens as Nick gets ready to go, and put that truck at 60 miles an hour so that Kent can somehow line up on this thing and get it done. There's a go, I'm hearing this, and away they go. Let's see what happens. Kent getting slowed down. He's got to get behind the Thunderbirds and then come back across now. Remember, we had a crosswind situation. And he's only got to get the wheels on the deck first and then scooch it up to the front. Look at that little movement. Look at the gusts of wind. This is not good. Down on the deck, he's got the wheel. Now he sees scooching. Side slow. Oh, geez, that didn't look good at all. Man, I called that off too. Wise move there. Yeah. I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. It's a gusty day. Do you think he ought to try that again? Turned around there, Nick. Get turned around. We'll roll it. Go. Here we go. A second attempt. Go. And let's see what happens. Get the main gear down. Come on, Kent. Let's do this, man. Main gear down. Open. Nick knows he's there. That was a good fly. Now he's going to scoot to the front. Scooch to the front. Wiggle. No, not too fast, Kent. You don't want to get out in front of the truck. Really, he didn't like that at all. Oh, man. It turned around because they want to do it into the wind again. So here they come. And by the way, get your camera out now and hit video. You're going to get an incredible shot of Kent Pietsch behind the Thunderbirds. Let's get her done. I don't blame him. He doesn't even need encouragement for this. He wants Nick to get around and do it again. He is determined to get this done. Come on, Nick. Slowly. And as surely as you can. Main wheel on. Good contact this time. Scooped up to the front. You've got to get the tail wheel down, though, if this is going to work. And it's got to be settled down. Nick has to help by slowing down just a bit. I don't see the tail touching down just yet. I think he might have it. Nick's slowing down, which is a good sign. The tail is settling down. I believe he's done it. Ladies and gentlemen, Kent Pietsch has successfully landed on the pickup truck. How about that? This great American who just loves to fly and has come up with all of these interesting ways to do it and won every award in the business for it. Please give him a huge wave, Kent Pietsch. Give him a huge wave, a big thumbs up all the way down the shoreline, because he's also going to need a little bit of encouragement. That encouragement is, of course, he can't go back to North Dakota like this. He's also got to take off from that truck. So Nick and Kent are going to have to get turned around into the he's going to pull, and there he goes. It's 22. Kent Pietsch. lovely wife, Marnie, live up in Minot on a, well, you can imagine, it's kind of a ranch type thing, with a runway, of course, and his collection of airplanes. 35,000 hours of flying time, flew for the airlines for a long time, but this is what he's always loved. Come from an airshow family. His dad, Albert Pietsch, up in Minot, Magic City, they're legends up there, the family, when it comes to aviation.